feels about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic.
Oh my god, dude, it's Christmas! We should totally go caroling.
Totally, but I don't know any carols. Do you know any carols?
Don't worry, bro. You don't need to know any carols because I've got magic caroling hats.
Oh, really?
You don't seem to believe me, bro, but let me tell you this. When you put these hats on, you'll be so full of Christmas spirit, you're gonna sing the best carol ever.
They just look like Santa hats.
Try it though, man.
Oh,
Believe in the Christmas spirit.
okay.
Come on.
Chow mein came from Chinese immigrants in the mid-19th century and is now a staple of every Chinese restaurant in America. Chow mein is easy to make, easy to eat, but hard to burn off due to its high fat, carbohydrate, and calorie counts. We've come up with a nice, healthy alternative.
Hey guys, I'm doing the food part today. We're gonna be making a chicken tofu chow mein stir fry. The secret ingredient, zucchini as the noodles. Some of you might be wondering, how do we get zucchini into noodles? One, you could buy it at the store. Two, you could just cut it with a knife if you're really good like that. I'm not, so I'm gonna use method 3, which is this handy dandy device called a mandolin. It's got a little blade and little tiny cutter blades like that, and it allows us to make zoodles. Very simple. How do you make a zoodle or a zucchini noodle? Just take this here in your mandolin, slide it right over. Do that, a bunch of times. Have you ever heard of julienne fries? This is the same setting that you would use to make julienne fries. Run it across until you get your desired amount. Gotta be careful, don't cut yourself. In previous takes I did, so. Go. Let me just kind of show you what they look like, see? They're cut slide, but then you can easily pull them apart into noodles. You don't even have to peel it. The skin gives it a nice texture. It has a lot of good vitamins and nutrients in it. Then, cut yourself about 1/3 of a cube of tofu. And then just slice this up into cubes as well. This is a nice, simple recipe. Requires very little measurement. You kind of just go, that's about enough of each. If you like more tofu, you put in more tofu. One more slice so it's nice and cubey. Bam! Toss them all in there. No problem. And guess what we're gonna do with the chicken? We're gonna cube that too. Alright, if you want to cut them a little smaller, feel free. You really want to make sure that you cut everything about the same size, approximately, so that way it all kind of cooks the same. There you go. Throw the whole thing in there. And then just soy sauce. Just soy sauce to taste. That's probably enough. Got the nice low sodium soy sauce here. And a little bit of black pepper, also to taste. And then just stir fry this up somewhere between 5 and 10 minutes. Again, according to how much you like it. That's pretty much it. Enjoy.
One of the most famous Asian dishes, and don't get me wrong, I love me some noodles. Loaded with MSG, salt, saturated fat, and carbohydrates, the food can give you a coma that will last you until you wake up tomorrow morning. Zoodles, on the other hand, when cooked with tofu, light sauces can create a texture and satisfaction similar to chow mein with a fraction of the calories and the added benefits of increased plant protein, added vitamins, minerals, and other plant nutrients.
Believe in the Christmas spirit.
Okay.
Come on. You're feeling the Christmas spirit?
Yeah.
You know what happens when we feel the Christmas spirit?
What?
We whip it! Chow mein whip!
Come on, get a grip.
Now you're the boss!
Putting on soy sauce.
When your hunger comes along,
Chow mein whip it.
when a burger will not do,
Chow mein whip it.
when your diet's gone to hell,
Chow mein whip it.
chow whip it into shape,
Shape it up. Never straight.
fried in oil, what dust,
You gotta eat it. It's not too late.
chow whip it good. I say whip it,
Chow mein whip it. Chow mein whip it.
chow mein whip it,
Chow mein whip it.
chow mein whip it. Yo, it's freaking cold in here, Pat.
Fucking cold, Mr. Billsworth.
Dude, it's crazy. We've made a bunch of videos now, and I've been trying to eat healthy, and I've lost some weight. But nobody told me that when you lose fat, it's like taking off a sweater. It's fucking freezing now.
Well, if you join me for my new segment on This Instead of That, Self-Love Workouts Live, you're gonna build that furnace inside to make you warmer.
So you say I should try to raise my metabolism.
Yeah, every 6 a.m. in the morning when you're stark cold.
Yeah, that's great. Just
You know.
one more reason to share, like, subscribe, go to all these videos, and try the awesome food, try the awesome workouts, and try the awesome tips and stuff that we're gonna have for you coming up in the new year. Dude, yeah.
This is a gift that keeps on giving.
We're excited. Thank you for coming along this journey with us. Hopefully you've been inspired. Hopefully, you're starting to make these small changes, and you know what? In the new year, you're gonna see those dividends happen.
So let's make some changes. Let's make some new goals, some New Year's resolutions, and definitely happy holidays to you, your family, everybody that's out there. Just another year that we are alive and happy, and
Guys.
can't wait to change more lives and to get you guys on board the choo-choo train of good health, wellness, life, self-love, everything like that. So we'll see you guys in the new year.
Merry Christmas, y'all.
Bye.